What if the year 2026 completely changes the way you and your wife understand love, trust, and emotional connection? This video reveals your love compatibility with your wife in 2026 based on emotional energy, communication patterns, and relationship growth. Stay till the end because one small insight could strengthen your marriage forever. What love compatibility really means in marriage. Love compatibility isn't about perfection, it's about understanding, patience, emotional balance, and growth. In marriage, compatibility shows up in how you communicate during conflict, how you support each other's dreams, how safe you feel emotionally, how deeply you trust one another. In 2026, relationship energy shifts toward honesty, emotional clarity, and long-term commitment. Emotional bond between you and your wife in 2026. The year 2026 brings a powerful focus on emotional maturity. You may notice deeper emotional conversations, less ego, more understanding, a desire to truly listen, not just respond. If you've had misunderstandings in the past, 2026 offers healing energy. For strong marriages, this year strengthens the bond. For struggling marriages, it brings truth and clarity, not to break, but to rebuild. Communication and understanding compatibility. One major theme of 2026 is communication alignment. You and your wife may express feelings more clearly, resolve old arguments, feel emotionally heard. However, this only works if both partners choose patience. Silence creates distance. Honest conversation creates connection. In 2026, couples who talk openly grow stronger than ever. Physical and emotional intimacy compatibility. Intimacy in marriage goes beyond the physical. In 2026, emotional intimacy becomes more important. Small gestures matter more than big promises. Time spent together strengthens attraction. Couples who reconnect emotionally will experience renewed passion. If intimacy has felt distant, this year encourages rebuilding closeness step by step. Trust, loyalty, and long-term stability. Trust is the foundation of love compatibility. In 2026, trust deepens through transparency. Loyalty is tested, but also strengthened. Long-term planning becomes important. This is a powerful year for renewing vows, making shared life goals, and strengthening family values. Strong trust equals strong compatibility. How to improve love compatibility with your wife in 2026. Here are 5 simple actions that dramatically improve compatibility. Listen without interrupting. Appreciate small efforts daily. Communicate feelings honestly. Spend quality time weekly. Support each other's growth. Love grows when effort becomes a habit. Final message, emotional closing. Your wife is not just your partner, she is your emotional mirror, your support system, and your life companion. In 2026, love compatibility isn't about changing each other, it's about growing together. If you nurture understanding, patience, and trust, 2026 can become one of the strongest years of your marriage. Call to action. If this message resonated with you, like the video, subscribe for more relationship insights, and comment below. Deep I Cast, I choose love in 2026.